July 10, 1932. I'm just waiting for my flight to San Francisco from Incheon, and it's gonna be a long flight. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
네.
감사합니다.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Asiana Airlines Flight 212, bound for San Francisco International Airport. Our flight time will be 10 hours and 10 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to San Francisco International Airport.
네, 감사합니다. 안녕히 가십시오.
Yay! Hello, Mom. It took a while.
It's okay. I made you a sign.
Yes.
Don't look at how not nice our airport is.
It's pretty okay.
Pretend it looks okay.
It's pretty okay. Thank you so much for picking me up.
Yeah.
All the special treatment.
Your first day in the U.S.
I know.
I'm so happy
You
already.
have to have somebody pick you up.
I feel like Mexican food is an appropriate choice for your first day in the U.S.
Carl the Fog.
He has a
Nice to meet you,
there's-
Carl.
There's a book too.
Yeah. He's a big presence in San
That's
Francisco.
why it's so chilly.
Oh.
And then
fog.
in the morning you don't get the sun waking you up, you get the fog. And you can sleep longer.
Hello, hello.
That's
Hello,
why we put it all
Mom.
in the front seat. Quesadillas are very, I mean, we can get a few things and share them if you want to try it.
That sounds good too.
Pick
Yeah.
up a couple things.
Okay. Let's get 3 tacos.
Okay.
Let's get a burrito
Okay.
that we can chop up. We could do a quesadilla.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And then, do we want to do any nachos?
Sure.
Wow. Okay.
Whatever. We'll just have it for later. Okay. So,
Oh, we can bring it home.
yeah, we're bringing it home
We're
anyway.
going to bring it
Yeah.
all home.
Awesome. Are they catching me?
Boys in the car. What the goodest of boys is in the police car?
First meal.
Yay! Someone's getting pulled over.
Oh, okay. It's not us.
Why so many police?
We're good, sir.
We're good.
Okay.
Here.
Sorry. Thank you.
We've only been here a short time and already.
Yeah, I know. Oh,
Already getting lots of-
am I in trouble already?
Just gone here. Just gone
Thank
here.
you, Mom.
Trouble.
Hello. So nice and cozy.
Yeah, all the way in.
Thank you.
So,
Okay, I'll tell you where you're going to stay.
Oh, yes, Mom. Yeah.
Yeah. Here. This is the guest room.
Oh, thank you.
That's all the rooms
Oh,
are.
wow.
that's all the rooms.
A lot of
A lot
K-pop
of K-pop.
in Patty's room.
That's my room.
Oh, this is your room.
my room.
Oh,
It's my room.
Yeah.
I see.
Lots of K-pop.
I see.
Lots of K-pop. It's everywhere. I have a lot of K-poppy things.
I don't know who they are.
It's okay.
Stray Kids, yeah.
They're Stray Kids.
There's
BTS.
more K-pop.
Ah, I should have brought. Oh, I did bring something for you. I hope.
What's that?
Little gift. I hope it fits you
Oh
though.
my god, what is it? I have to like wipe my hands. What is it? Oh my god!
I hope it fits you.
You got the thing! You got the thing! You got me the shirt that was only available in Korea. I couldn't buy it.
Oh my gosh.
I'm so excited! Put it somewhere that's not covered in taco meat! Ah! It's fine.
Does it?
It'll fit.
Awesome!
Yay!
Mission accomplished.
If it didn't fit, you would make
I would make it fit.
Yeah.
sizes.
You could only buy this in Korea. I couldn't even order it here to like ship it to somewhere in Korea. I tried. It's falling apart.
Okay.
This is like the oiliest part
Too much pork.
Hands.
No, use my knife and fork. Mom, use your hand.
Use your hands.
You can do it. Good. Different.
A lot of flavors.
Better
It's
than
very
Mexican
thick.
food?
It's very thick.
It is. Better than the Mexican food you can get elsewhere.
Definitely.
Good, that's the point. That is the whole point, is that it's better than where you can get it elsewhere. This is just salsa. I don't think this is guacamole.
Oh, the green stuff?
It's too thin. It's good though. You just pour it on. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's try it. Ah!
All right.
Is it spicy? Okay, it's just hot.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a good kind of messy, but it's messy. For sure. This stuff is really good. None of this is spicy.
Cheers.
Add
Chorizo.
salsa.
This sauce is mildly spicy. Not really.
Maybe the green one's spicier.
It's not spicy at all.
No, none of this food is spicy. Which is weird.
Well, eat the jalapeno if you want some spice.
Yeah. It wasn't the
Oh.
same.
This doesn't look like the jalapeno I know.
Oh, wait, what jalapenos you know look like?
They look thicker.
Fatter.
Yeah, fatter,
Oh.
yeah.
Yeah, that one's been roasted.
Yeah.
Maybe it's not a jalapeno.
No, it's definitely jalapeno. Roasty jalapeno.
Looks like a roasty jalapeno. This one's fatter. That one looks more like one you've seen.
This one is more like chili.
Well,
that's-
hot?
Maybe
A
this
little.
one.
It's so thick. Everything's so thick. I'm not used to it.
Everything feels just like a lot. That's fair. American portions. You forget, Mom, these are American portions.
I know.
Remember the Korean portions?
I feel like this could give you like heartburn or oily.
Hello, Leia.
We have a lot of,
She hungry?
yeah, we have a lot of recycling and garbage from the construction. Furs and yeah, things like that.
I need a Mom.
Still surprised how cool the weather is. And it's coming from the Philippines prior to this trip, it's like, wow, this is wonderful.
Yes, I am sure. I remember how hot the Philippines is.
Yeah,
There's
that's
a reason
really
I don't
hot.
really want to go back. Wait, does it ever get cold there? Does it get like cold?
It gets cool,
there? It gets cool.
yeah, especially when you go up the mountain.
That's fair.
Yeah.
But like in Siargao and stuff, does it ever get
Oh,
like
Siargao?
cold?
No.
It's always hot.
Yeah.
Leia.
Hotels
Uh-huh.
and they have food, so you don't need to carry that much.
Oh, that's so good.
Yeah, but it is a hard hike. You go up and down a lot.
Leia.
So we had a lot of storms and they cut
Oh.
down a lot of the trees this year. They were falling on everything.
Bring it back, bring it back. Good girl.
Yay!
No. Bring it back.
Bring me the stick.
Come
Where's
on.
the stick?
Like, yeah, I don't care about that.
I caught it. That's what's important.
I brought it halfway to you. Close enough.
She gets rid of the.
Ready? There she goes. There she goes.
Yeah.
Oh, so happy. Are you so happy? She's like, yes.
One more time.
Ecstasy.
So happy. Roll in the grass. I don't know what you smell right here, but you love it. And this is why she has to get baths all the time.
Okay.
Gross.
Other dogs smell good.
Oh,
Yes,
around the
it
water.
is. It is chilly.
Yes.
Yes, we told you to bring a jacket.
And I
You
did.
didn't believe us.
I did.
Good. But when we go to Napa this weekend, it'll be much warmer. Because it's much warmer up
You
there.
will
Anyway.
not need a jacket.
I'm telling you, once you leave this tiny little peninsula,
Mm-hmm.
it's warm outside everywhere else. And by warm, it's like still not as warm as the Philippines.
Where in Napa are
Yeah.
we going? Are we going to Busan?
We can. We're
Bu-
going
Bakery?
to Constantino and Gerard per usual.
Okay.
And then we can stop wherever. We're thinking that we could do, we can either do GOTS, because it's what you do, or you can just stop by like the Oakville Grocer. There's a bunch of other restaurants up that way. It's 2014, so 4 hours to midnight, and then we're getting up at like 4.
8 hours. That's more than good.
Okay.
Because I'm gonna sleep in the plane anyway.
Yeah.
All right. No,
I'm
go
gonna
shower,
sleep
go to bed right now.
Yes.
You need your 8 hours.
We're not gonna get. It's a little more than 8 hours. It's kind of like a little under 9.
Yeah.
A little under 9 hours left.
Okay.
Elsewhere.
All right, good. Then you call if
See.
you have any, even silly questions.
Ah.
Just call me.
Or text her.
Yes.
Yeah.
Or anything. We're around.
But you have a friend you're staying with in Seattle.
Yes.
Okay. that's
Seattle.
I'll see you.
I'll see you again.
good. Okay, we'll see you when you get back.
I'll
Yes.
see you tomorrow.
Yeah, send an update that you're alive and well. we
Bye, Mom.
want to make sure you're okay.
He's gonna be fine.
Okay.
Wave, Mom.
Hope I don't
Wave, Mom.
I hope I don't run into your garage.
Bye, Mom.
It's about 10:40 p.m. Day 1 of my 2-month trip in the States. The 10-hour flight was quite long, even with a 1-hour delay. But I was really glad to see Kat and her mom at the airport. One thing I was surprised was I thought the weather in San Francisco would be a little more hot. Tomorrow I'll be heading to the airport early in the morning. I have a flight to Seattle, where I'll be meeting a few other friends there before I drive over to Vancouver in the later part of the week. So I'll get some good sleep and back in the plane.